Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best push-up drama mascara is probably one of the most sought-after beauty products for achieving that dramatic, eye-opening lift and volume, promising to transform your lashes from ordinary to extraordinary with just a few swipes, making it a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their makeup game and command attention with intensely dramatic, sculpted lashes that create a captivating, wide-eyed effect. Number 5. Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premier Mascara. Introducing the Cabaret Premier Mascara from Vivienne Sabó. Get ready for lashes that are longer, fuller, and perfectly defined. Experience incredible volume and length like never before. This formula is designed to enhance every lash. Enjoy smudge-proof and clump-free wear throughout your day. It won't flake, ensuring a flawless look from morning to night. This washable formula makes beauty effortless. It's easy to apply and even easier to remove, without any mess. Feel good about your beauty choice. It's proudly cruelty-free and crafted with European quality you can trust. Achieve a deep, intense black finish that defines your eyes beautifully. It's the perfect touch for any look. What we like? This mascara offers incredible definition and curl without flaking or clumping. It's smudge-proof and washable, making it perfect for everyday wear. If you want a clean, defined lash look that lasts all day, this is the one for you. What people say. This mascara gives you a dramatic push-up effect for your lashes. It creates a false lash look with incredible volume and lift. The brush is designed to fan out lashes for a wide-eyed appearance. Number 4. Maybelline Volum Express the Falsies Mascara. Achieve the dramatic, lash-extending effect of false lashes with just one coat. This mascara delivers incredible volume and a fanned-out finish. Get ready for eyes that wow. Experience the deepest black shade for ultimate drama. It coats every lash for a bold, impactful look. Make a statement with your eyes. The unique brush design ensures smooth, clump-free application. Enjoy smudge-proof wear that lasts all day long. It's your go-to for effortless beauty. When the day is done, this mascara washes away easily with soap and water. No harsh rubbing needed, just simple removal. Enjoy convenience without compromise. Unlock the power of express volume. This formula plumps and lifts each lash for a fuller, more dramatic appearance. Transform your lashes instantly. From the heart of New York, experience the innovation of Maybelline. We bring you quality makeup that empowers your beauty. Discover your perfect look. What we like? Get dramatic, false lash volume with this formula. It delivers intense black color for a bold look. If you're aiming for that show-stopping, eye-opening effect with minimal effort, this mascara is your go-to. What people say. The brush is designed to lift and separate each lash, providing a dramatic push-up effect. It delivers intense volume and length without clumping, giving a false lash appearance. The formula is long-lasting and smudge-proof, ensuring your lashes stay defined all day. Number 3. Maybelline Volum Express Falsies Push-Up Angel Mascara. Get ready to flutter your lashes with our new mascara. It's designed to give you an angelic, pushed-up look that lasts all day. Experience a dramatic lift and volume like never before. This formula creates a stunning winged effect, opening up your eyes. Achieve the deepest, most intense black shade for your lashes. It provides incredible definition and makes your eyes pop. Enjoy the dramatic look without the hassle. This mascara is easily washable, making removal a breeze at the end of the day. Transform your lashes into delicate angel wings. It's the perfect way to add a touch of magic to your everyday look. From the trusted Volum Express line, this mascara delivers on its promise of amplified volume and stunning style. Get ready to turn heads. What we like? Experience an angelic lift and dramatic volume with this mascara. It's designed to fan out your lashes for an open-eyed effect. If you desire lifted, voluminous lashes that create a wide-eyed appearance, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It gives a dramatic lift and volume, making lashes look fuller and longer. The curved brush is designed to grab every lash, ensuring an even application and a fanned-out effect. It provides a noticeable push-up effect, separating lashes without clumping. Number 2. Lancôme Hypnôse Drama Mascara. Introducing the Lancôme Hypnôse Drama Mascara. Get ready for an extreme volume experience like never before. Achieve up to 17 times more volume with just one coat. It delivers an intensely dramatic look for your lashes. Enjoy stunning, voluminous lashes that last all day. This formula provides up to 24 hours of comfortable wear. Experience the deepest, most intense black shade. It coats every lash for a bold, captivating finish. Achieve a dramatic, eye-opening effect with ease. This mascara is designed for maximum impact and effortless application. What we like? This mascara provides up to 17 times more volume for an intensely dramatic look. Its ultra-black formula ensures maximum impact and lasts up to 24 hours. If you want the most dramatic, voluminous lashes with long-lasting wear, this is your ultimate weapon. What people say. This mascara gives a dramatic push-up effect for lashes. It provides intense volume and a false lash look. The formula is designed to lift and separate lashes for a wide-eyed appearance. Number 1. Maybelline the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. Get ready for dramatic, pushed-up lashes like never before. This mascara delivers intense volume and a stunning lifted effect. Experience the unique push-up effect that lifts your lashes from the root. It creates a wide-eyed look that opens up your entire face. Achieve the ultimate dramatic volume with every coat. It builds beautifully for a bold, impactful lash line. Enjoy the convenience of a washable formula that's easy to remove. It won't smudge or flake throughout the day. This rich brownish black shade enhances your natural lash color. It provides depth and intensity for a captivating gaze. From Maybelline, New York, the brand that brings you the latest beauty trends. Elevate your look with this must-have mascara. What we like? Achieve a softer, yet dramatic push-up effect with this unique shade. The brownish black hue offers a more natural-looking intensity. If you prefer a dramatic lash look that isn't overly harsh, or if you have lighter features, this is an excellent option. What people say. The brush is designed to lift and separate lashes, creating a dramatic push-up effect. It provides intense volume and length without clumping. The formula is long-lasting and smudge-proof, ensuring your lashes stay flawless all day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.